So this practice has changed my life, elevated it greatly. I just love doing it and sharing and being with everybody in the community. And even through the practice of doing it on yourself, I do it every single morning. And it's an amazing healing experience just for yourself too.
Thankful to true source love that flows and is within us, that allows all possibilities.
一个词叫 unconditional love。刚才就是这个治疗的时候，我有一个瞬间，我觉得自己是一个婴儿，就是第一次感受到了被无条件的爱，然后，很美。
Practicing Reiki Tummo for 2 months is that the things that normally would bother me would stress me out a lot. Now I just feel like that's a little annoying. And then from that headspace, I make way better decisions. True Source is providing for every one of us, and the resources is unlimited, and I feel a lot more peaceful